A lot of time and effort goes into creating videos like this, so if you're enjoying the content, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This proud family is showing off a successful day's catch, a reminder of how fishing once helped feed communities across America. In an era before supermarkets and modern convenience, catching large fish wasn't just recreation, it was often an important part of everyday life and survival. Long before giant theme parks dominated entertainment, traveling fairs brought excitement directly to small-town America. Ferris wheels, carousels, and carnival games transformed quiet fields into bustling centers of fun, giving families a rare chance to experience adventure and community celebration. This stunning view captures an American town nestled beneath towering mountains. Scenes like this helped define the West, where growing communities balanced industry, commerce, and frontier spirit. The dramatic landscape reminds us how geography shaped the lives and opportunities of early residents. These women appear to be factory workers, representing the labor force that helped power America's industrial growth. Their expressions tell a story of long hours, hard work, and resilience. Millions of workers like them helped build the products that fueled a rapidly changing nation. Before diesel trucks became common, horse-drawn wagons delivered essential goods across American towns. This coal wagon carried fuel that heated homes and powered businesses. It's a glimpse into a time when strong horses were just as important to transportation as engines are today. Street food isn't a modern invention. More than a century ago, hot dog vendors served quick, affordable meals to busy city residents. These bustling carts became a familiar sight on American streets, offering a taste of convenience long before fast food chains arrived. This massive brick structure reflects America's industrial era, when factories and warehouses dominated urban skylines. Buildings like this produced goods, created jobs, and fueled economic growth. Behind these walls, thousands of workers helped shape the nation's rise as an industrial powerhouse. At a time when cycling was becoming popular, women riding bicycles represented more than recreation. It symbolized greater independence and freedom. The bicycle revolution helped challenge social norms and gave many women a new sense of mobility in everyday life. These circus elephants were part of one of America's most famous traveling shows. For generations, circus parades amazed crowds and brought exotic animals to towns that had never seen them before. Today, such images also spark conversations about animal welfare and changing traditions. This city skyline showcases America during the height of industrial expansion. Steam rising from rooftops reveals a world powered by factories, coal, and relentless growth. It was an era of opportunity and innovation, but also one marked by pollution and demanding urban life. These children lived during a time when infectious diseases were among America's greatest fears. Before modern vaccines and advanced medicine, schools often became the front line in protecting public health. Images like this remind us how dramatically healthcare has transformed childhood in the United States. This behind-the-scenes moment captures the magic of early Hollywood filmmaking. Massive cameras, simple sets, and small crews created movies that captivated millions. Long before digital effects and streaming platforms, filmmakers relied on creativity and innovation to bring stories to life on the silver screen. This elegant dining hall shows how upscale restaurants once blended luxury with craftsmanship. Ornate decorations, polished counters, and carefully prepared meals reflected an era when dining out was a special event. Places like this offered customers a glimpse of sophistication and modern city life. Before smartphones and social media, Americans got their news from newspaper stands like this one. Every morning, people gathered to buy the latest headlines, sports scores, and world events. These kiosks served as information hubs, connecting communities to a rapidly changing world. This vintage fire truck and its crew represent the brave firefighters who protected growing American towns. Early firefighting demanded teamwork, courage, and quick action. Without modern equipment, these men relied on skill and determination to save lives and defend communities from devastating fires. Long before modern beach resorts, places like Sunny Cove Baths attracted families seeking fun and relaxation. Swimming became one of America's favorite leisure activities, offering an escape from daily routines. This scene captures a simpler era of summer recreation along the California coast. This busy lumber yard highlights an industry that helped build America. Timber from facilities like this supplied homes, businesses, railroads, and entire towns. In the days before heavy machinery dominated construction, workers and horse-drawn wagons played a critical role in shaping the nation. This crowded city market was the heartbeat of urban commerce. Vendors sold everything from food to household goods, while shoppers filled the streets. Before giant supermarkets and online shopping, markets like this were essential gathering places where business, culture, and community came together. This horse-drawn ambulance reminds us how far emergency medicine has advanced. In the early days of healthcare, transporting patients often depended on horses rather than engines. Even with limited technology, these services represented an important step toward the modern emergency response systems Americans rely on today. This courthouse stood as a symbol of law, order, and local government in early California. Buildings like this served as the center of civic life, where important decisions shaped communities. Its architecture reflects the ambition and growth of towns during America's westward expansion. This factory scene captures the heart of American manufacturing. Skilled workers carefully craft products by hand and machine, representing an era when factories fueled economic growth. Millions of Americans earned their livelihoods in places like this, helping transform the United States into an industrial powerhouse. These women are harvesting fruit by hand, a job that demanded patience, endurance, and long hours. Agriculture has always been a cornerstone of America's economy, and workers like these helped supply fresh produce to growing cities while keeping farms productive across the nation. Before home delivery apps and digital subscriptions, newspaper boys brought the day's headlines directly to Americans. Rain or shine, these young workers helped spread news throughout cities and towns. Their role was essential in keeping communities informed during a rapidly changing era. This breathtaking holiday display shows how department stores once transformed shopping into an unforgettable experience. Elaborate decorations, sparkling lights, and towering Christmas trees attracted families from across the city. For many Americans, visiting these displays became a cherished seasonal tradition, filled with wonder and excitement. If these images touched your heart, please subscribe and join us on this journey through the past.